You don't need to know how to use Canva or Photoshop before you can create a good book cover. With only ChatGPT, you can create a very good professional looking cover. See the prompt I gave to ChatGPT: create a a realistic and professional looking book cover for, here is a book, student study guide. Make it look simple and don't add much elements. Okay, so what title and subtitle do you suggest that will attract more students once they see the cover? Now look at what I tell ChatGPT: before you start creating, let me see the best title and subtitles I should use. Now I send this to ChatGPT. So now they say number 1, the Smart Student Guide: how to study effectively without stress or burnout. 2, proving study technique for better focus, memory and exam success. 3, the ultimate study guide for students: daily habits, study method and productive tips that actually work. Now academic success blueprint: a simple guide to better study habits and higher score. Focus and study: the student guide to concentration. So you say my recommendation for the cover: for a realistic and professional simple cover, this combination will likely perform best. Study smarter, proving study techniques for better focus, memory and exam success. Now look at what I'm going to tell ChatGPT again. Note, this is for students. So the word student must be mentioned in the title. So this is I'm trying to teach you how so that you understand this better. Now the Smart Student Study Guide: simple techniques to study better, stay focused and improve your grades. So this is better. So let's see more recommendation. Now this is student study guide: study smarter, stay organized and achieve better results. The Successful Student: practical study method for better focus, memory and exam. Those ones now are not better because they are not talking directly to student. So it should speak directly to the person. Once the person you are targeting sees your ebook, the person already know that yes, this is basically for me. So now let's go with this. I think this is better. So here now, here's how to get better title and subtitle. If you go through this now, you pick the one you think is the best. So if you want to improve it, you can still improve it. Now you give it back to ChatGPT. I'm going to give this back to ChatGPT. So I will not tell ChatGPT this, use this, this should be the only wording. Let me use, this should be the only words. Don't add extra word. So now I send this to ChatGPT. Make the design square. So if you want, you can make it portrait, depends on how you want it to be, but I usually make my flyers squared shape so that anywhere I upload it, it's not going to cut. So I send it to ChatGPT. So I have reached my limit. So what I'm going to do now, we tell ChatGPT, write the prompt for me. So I will use different hands to design it. So let me copy this, then go to another account. Now I just log into my account. So what I'm going to do now, we paste this to ChatGPT and send to ChatGPT to generate. Okay, here is the book cover. It's actually good. The Smart Student Study Guide. Simple techniques to study better, stay focused, and improve your grades. So this is good because I have tried many book mockups. The ones that are simple and straight to the point are the ones that perform better when I run ads. So those ones that have much element, too much wordings, they don't actually bring many people because the information there are heavy. So now let me show you another thing. If I wish to, maybe I want to add my picture as the author, I can upload my picture here. So don't skip any part of this video. If you want to create a professional ebook cover that will make people to buy your book. So I upload my photo. So see what I'm going to tell ChatGPT. Let this be the author, or I'm the author, anything. Now I will tell ChatGPT, make I'm not this. Okay, let me say this is the author, this is the author. Make me look like a professional teacher or professor without modifying my face. Also change my clothes and background. Author name is Kelechi Wisdom. Now use this to update the flyer. Now we send this to ChatGPT. Now you can see that here Kelechi Wisdom. You can see how it's looking now. Did my face change? My face didn't change, but see how it make everything look. Now the Smart Student Study Guide. Simple techniques to study better, stay focused, and improve your grades. So now, let me give ChatGPT another prompt. So keep looking how to come up with something nice. Now, I will tell ChatGPT, add a student carrying book. The image should look, let me say little, so I don't want it to occupy space. Little at the, maybe I will say beside the first word, the. Now we send this to ChatGPT 2. ChatGPT is now going to add someone carrying book, a student. That will also make grab more attention, because when students see someone carrying book, it also gets attention first. That's for attention grabbing. Now you can also see that the Smart Student Study Guide. Simple techniques to study better, stay focused, and improve your grades. I can tell ChatGPT, remove my hand from my mustache only. Your mock-up flyer need to be very professional, so that when you run ads, the ads is not going to be that expensive. If you check this ad, this is the ad I'm running today. This is currently live, and they still have more hours to run. Look at this. I spent 1,300 naira and I got 27 messages at 48 naira per message. Sometimes it's below this. It usually drops sometimes once people start messaging more. This is just because of the flyer. Because this particular ad I run now, the first time I run this ad, it cost me 70 naira per conversation. I changed the flyer, that's the mock-up like this. The ad has dropped to 48 naira. You also pay attention to your mock-up flyer so that it bring more people. Now, what matters, another thing that matters is adding price in your flyer. So if you want to use it for promotion, like running ads, so it's better people see your price, so that when they are clicking, they already know, let them have in mind that they are going to pay for this, and this is how much they are going to pay. So this will help you filter on serious people. So see how you will add your price. Maybe I will touch ChatGPT, original price 3,500. So I will say discount price, or today's of anything you can. Now with ChatGPT, use the best wording, add the price. You can see that I will send this to ChatGPT. Now it has added the price, but the position is not good. So I will Also tell ChatGPT, use the real naira sign, the position the position is not good, take it at the top above my head, or or below my pocket, below my pocket. Don't make it big as it is. Use the wording that will make it occupy less space. So now I give this back to ChatGPT to generate. So here is the price. The price also look good actually. So I can also tell ChatGPT to make it look more professional, but let's leave it like this. Just master how to prompt AI. So also this is original price 3,500, discount price 1,000, limited time offer. So this is also good. This is also good. So now this pricing will help you. This pricing makes serious buyer to click, because once people see the price, know that yes, I'm going to pay 1,000, they will click. Despite some people will start negotiating. Check this person is telling me 500 naira. So that's it. Go and create a good book cover for your ebook so that you will get people, serious people, because book cover matters a lot. Not just, most of you just go to Canva and just edit some, just do small editing, you download and start posting, and it's not looking good. So you have to do something good. So go and start creating a good mockup flyer. If you also want to learn how to create and sell your ebooks using WhatsApp, because I sell using WhatsApp